That loud stomach growl isn't hunger, it's movement. Even when your stomach is empty, your digestive muscles keep squeezing to move air and fluid forward. When that movement passes through hollow spaces, it creates sound. That's why your stomach can growl when you're not hungry, and why it's loudest in quiet rooms. It doesn't mean low sugar. It doesn't mean something's wrong. It's just your digestive system doing routine maintenance. Full explanation on BodyBiome.